Hi guys, this is my first vlog. Now I am going to show one of the beach here in Abu Dhabi. Actually it's a summer, it's very hot here. So I thought of going to beach for some time. Basically I am Telugu, I can speak Telugu, Hindi and some Malayalam and English also. But for my convenience, whatever I get I will speak, but I think people can understand everything. ఇప్పుడు తెలుగుకి వస్తే యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు మన టెంపరేచర్ 45-46 ఉంటే ఎట్లుంటుందో అలాగే ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అలాగే ఉంది. అండ్ ఇక్కడ డేట్స్ ట్రీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ కామన్. యూ కెన్ సీ ఇక్కడ వేరే చెట్లు ఏం రావు బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ ఎ డిజర్ట్ రైట్, అందుకోసమే. అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ ద రాడార్స్ హియర్. ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కార్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ క్యాచ్. సో ఇండియా లెక్క మనం పారిపోవడానికి కుదరదు. సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని స్పీడ్ లిమిట్లో పోవాలి. అండ్ ఫైన్ వస్తే 600 dirhams వస్తుంది. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 12,000 rupees. సో ఇమాజిన్ ఇట్స్ ఏ హెఫ్టీ అమౌంట్. సో వీ నీడ్ టు బి వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ నియర్ టు ద బీచ్. సో ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ఎక్సైటెడ్. Even if I go to the beach, I think I cannot go out. It's very hot. But let me see first. So it's there. This is the beach, Al Hudriyat beach. I'm going there. It's a newly constructed beach, and the view from the beach is the view from the bridge is very nice. So that's why but the first time I decided to come to the nice place. So and same like India, there are so many FMs here, mostly Hindi and English. And unfortunately there are no Telugu FM here because most of the people here are Malayali and South Indian and North Indian only, not too much Telugu people. I wish one day I can see that Telugu people FM also. Actually, I can say it's a man-made island. It's not natural, but these people are constructing awesome bridges and beaches, especially for the kids and for the people who want to enjoy the beach views. Okay, once I reach the beach, I will show the next view. So just hold on. Yeah, finally we reached the beach here. This is the beach. So let me drive some more near to the beach. I thought no one will be here in the summer, but already there are so many people who are waiting to see the beach. This is the parking area. So same like India, but the thing is here there are so many cars, so they have divided the parking area into specific car space. బట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా యూ కెన్ పార్క్ ఎనీవేర్. మన తెలంగాణ హైదరాబాద్లో అయితే ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకేమన్నా అంటే రుబాబ్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ప్లానింగ్ టు పార్క్ ద కార్ అండ్ we are finally here in the beach, and even in the beach area they are maintaining this corona precautions. I will show you how. They are saying that each family or each individual should stay inside the circle only. They have given one circle like this one, so we need to stay inside of this circle only. I mean, if you want to maintain some distance from the other people, you need to be inside, otherwise it's okay. And one more thing, if you want to put whatever the things you can put here, but later on if you want to go into beach, it's okay for you. Actually I am excited to go into the beach, but the thing is it's an unprepared occasion. So directly I came from the work, so let me try to come back later again with the summer beach dress like what we wear in Hyderabad, lungi. Okay guys, this is the beach. So people are enjoying so much because it's summer, it's very very hot. And the water is so bluish here. The water is very nice. So okay, let me get back to you on another video. Please catch me up guys. See you soon. చూడండి గైస్, సడన్ గా శాండ్ స్టార్మ్ వచ్చింది. It became so kachra, you can see. It was so beautiful, nice weather before, and suddenly it completely became full of sand. నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసి లీ పచ్చళ్ళు ఏంది అనుకున్నాను. అలా ఉంటాయి నేమ్స్. You can see the bridge over there. The bridge is so slopey. It's like maybe the angle is like 60 degrees. మనం శ్రీశైలం తిరుపతికి వెళ్తుంటే ఎట్లుంటుందో గుట్టలో ఆ టైప్లో అనిపిస్తుంది నాకైతే. Okay guys, see you in your